Hey there, I'm Farrell Hogenauer with Berkshire Hathaway Homes and Lovely Homes, and I am here with Marty with Mitch's Air Conditioning and Heating, and we're here to talk really quick about monsoon season and air conditioning units. Now, Marty, everybody always says that, oh my gosh, my house isn't cooling, it's so humid, there's condensation, what's going on? Can you help answer that question?
Well, condensation occurs mainly during the monsoon periods, and it actually causes a lot of water to back up into your system. If you don't drain your condensation line properly, it could back up into your attic or it could back up onto your roof. So the proper thing to do is to have a qualified or licensed HVAC technician to come out, do the drain blowout, check the system out thoroughly, and make sure it's running properly up to its manufacturer specs.
And when do you recommend people do this? Before the season begins and like March, April, May, or should someone do it now kind of while we're in the middle of monsoon
I think
season?
to be proactive, you want to do it in March and April for the summertime. During the monsoon, if you're kind of procrastinating, and we as Arizonans kind of take that for face value and go, well, I don't need to check it, but you do need to check it prior to the summer hot season's temperatures. But mainly you want to check it in June before the monsoon hits, and then you could rest assured that the unit's running efficient.
So what do you charge to do something like that, to go out to a home?
We charge, depending on the type of system you have a split system, which is your air handlers in the attic, your ground units down on the ground outside your condenser, or you could have it on the roof like this. And it's $85 for the first checkup for the first unit, and then $75 every additional unit. We give a $10 discount per extra units that you have. And that's what we run throughout the year. It doesn't make a difference, winter or summer. That's the price we charge.
So as you can tell, it's a super nominal fee just to make sure that your AC is running and everything is going. So I encourage you, let's show them your trucks. This is this is Marty with Mitch's Affordable AC and Heating, 480-232-9723. Give him a call. And I'm Farrell Hogenauer with Berkshire Hathaway and Lovely Homes. If you have any questions about AC, buying or selling your home, give me a call, 480-430-1013. Have a great day.